Hi friends! Today I want to talk to you about the vowel team O-O. Let's remind ourselves what a vowel team is. Now we've learned about consonant teams. And consonant teams are when we have two consonants and they come together and they make something new. They make a new sound. That's exactly what a vowel team is. But instead of using consonants, the letters that are coming together are two vowels. So a vowel team or a vowel digraph is when two vowels come together and they make a new sound. And you can't take them apart. So I have a little math problem at the bottom of the screen. A plus I equals AI. What does this mean? Well, when you have A on its own, oftentimes it makes the short A sound, ah. I on its own could make the short I sound, eh. But when you put that A and that I together, they become a vowel team. And the sound that they say is A. Now, we're going to study AI as a vowel team later. Today, we're looking at the vowel team O-O. O-O makes two sounds. Let's take a look at the first one. So the first sound that O-O can make is like in the words look and book. Look. That O-O is saying To remember that O-O says we say O-O, look for a book. Do it with me. Say the letters, say the phrase and do the gesture, and then say the sound. Here we go. O-O, look for a book. Very good job, my friends. All right, now I want us to take a look at some words that have the O-O sound that says Alrighty, so I have three words here. I'm going to blend the sounds from the left to the right to read the words. Remember, in all of these words, O-O is saying Very good, here we go. G, good, good. Awesome job. Go down to number 2. I notice this word has a consonant team. What's the consonant team? It's SH. And remember, SH says shh. Let's read. Shh, shook, shook. Like I shook your hand. All right, move down to number 3. I see a blend. I see a consonant blend. Remember, a consonant blend is when you have two consonants and we say them as a chunk, but each consonant still says its sound. So I have a s and a t, but I can read those as st, as a chunk, as a blend. Here we go. St, stood, stood. Very good job. Now, friends, take a look at some of these words. What do you notice about look, book, and shook? I notice that it has O-O-K. Usually, when there is an O-O and a K in a word, the O-O is saying it's sound. Now, there are some exceptions, but usually O-O-K is going to say ook. Take a look at number 1 and number 3. When you see O-O-D, a lot of the times it says ud. The O-O is saying ud with the D at the end. Now, there are exceptions. There are words that don't follow that, but that's kind of a general idea that you can think of. Okay, so we just learned that one of the sounds that O-O makes is Let's move on to the other sound. Okay, So this sound that O makes is ooh. Say ooh. That's the same sound that U-E makes in the dude is rude. Ooh. It's the same sound. It's just spelled differently. So O says ooh. One of the ways that we can remember it is by using our phrase, zoom to the moon. Practice with me. We'll say the letter names, then we'll say our phrase and do our gesture, and then we'll say the sound it makes. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, zoom to the moon. Ooh. Very good job, my friends. Okay, let's take a look at some of our words that have ooh. O that says ooh. All right, let's take a look. Let's look at number 1. Let's blend the sounds left to right. Ooh, hoop, hoop. Good job. Number 2, I see a consonant blend. Sp. Here we go. Sp. Ooh, spoon, spoon. Good job. Take a look at number 3. That is such a big word. But when I look at big words, I don't have to feel scared. I can look for a chunk I know. And so I'm looking at this word, and let's see if I can click on it. There I go. The chunk that I know is the word car. There was a word hiding in that word. So I know this is car. So I can just, if you had it in a piece of paper, a book in front of you, you could put your hand over it. So that's what I'm going to do, but you won't be able to see it. So, but I would cover up car, and then I would just sound out the rest. I would blend the sounds. T, ooh, tune, tune. Car, tune, cartoon. Oh my goodness, that's a compound word. It's when there's 2 words that we put together to make a bigger word. Cartoon, cartoon. Awesome job. Okay, let's go ahead and practice reading some words. So on this side, I have words that have O that say like in look for a book. On this side over here, on the right side, I have words that have the ooh sound, when the O is saying ooh. So I'm going to go through and read some of them with you, and then I'm going to give you the chance to sound some of them out on your own. So let's take a look at number 1. I see it has that O-O-K. Remember, that's one of the things that we can think of, O-O-K. The O-O usually says, Here we go. Please blend with me. Took, took. Great job. Go down to number 2. I see something that can help me read this word. The first sound is changing. So I can just think to myself, this was the word took. Change the t to a h, and the word is hook. If I sounded it out, if I blended it, hook, hook. So I could do that, but I can also start to notice those patterns in words and use my knowledge that I've gotten from sound work to help me become a quicker reader. All right, I want you to do number 3 and number 4 on your own. Go ahead and read it. Number 3. Check your work. Foot, foot. How'd you do? Go to number 4, read number 4, please. All right, number 4 had something special at the end. If I look at number 4, it ends with ing, okay? So I can just even cover that up and sound out, blend the sounds for the beginning part. Here we go. K, cook, cook, ing, cooking. How'd you do? Did you get cooking? Okay, let's go on to these words on this side that have O that says ooh. Now, remember, friends, I told you a lot of times that OOD says ud, like in good and stood. Here's one of those words that doesn't follow that rule. It's kind of like it's an exception. So this is saying ooh. Read it with me, please. Ooh, food, food. Good job. Go ahead down to number 6 with me, please. Ooh, soon, soon. Good. Okay, go ahead and read number 7. Remember, number 7 is going to have the ooh in it. Go ahead. Okay, check your work. Ooh, mood, mood. That's another exception. Food and mood. And the OO is saying ooh, not All right, number 8, go for it. Blend those sounds together. Ooh, roo, room. Good job, my friends. Now, in these examples, I told you what sound OO was making, so you knew which one to use. When you're reading, you might not know which one to use. So you might try out one, and if it doesn't make sense when you blend the sounds together, you'll flip the sound and you'll change it to the other sound that OO can make. So for example, if I was reading this word here, number 5, and I use the sound, food, food, it doesn't make sense. So I'd flip the sound, food, food. Oh, there we go. That makes sense. So I'm going to give you 2 words. I'm not going to tell you which sound for OO to use. You use what you know, read the word, think about, does that make sense, that word that I just read? And if not, flip the sound, flip the OO sound to its other sound. Okay, my friends, I'm going to go to the next screen and I'm going to ask you to pause the video as you read those words. And when you're finished, click play again so I can give you feedback on your work. Go ahead and read number 1 and 2. Click pause. All right, friends, welcome back. I hope you paused the video and read number 1 and number 2 to yourself. Let's see how we did. This word, number 1, is the word boots. Boots. Like it was raining outside, so I put on my boots. What does the S at the end of boots mean? It means more than one. Good. All right. Number 2 is the word hood. Like I put on my hood. Great job, friends. Thanks so much for learning about the 2 sounds that OO makes. Let's remind ourselves. OO can say and OO can say ooh. Thanks so much for all your practice and hard work today, friends. I'll see you soon.